Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tech Tricks tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an animated rain effect in Photoshop. So let's dive right in. First, open the image in Photoshop. From the right Layers options, add a new layer. Next, go to the Bucket tool from the left menu and set the foreground color to white. Click to fill the layer with white. Then go to the Filter menu at the top. In the Render options, select Fibers. Here, change the variance to 13 and click on OK. Next, change the blending mode of this layer to Screen. Now, let's add levels. Click on the Adjustment button, go to Levels, and select Clipping Mask. Follow these adjustments. Then select the rain layer and go to Filter, then Blur and select Motion Blur. Here, adjust the distance to 41. Now, again go to Filter, then Blur and select Gaussian Blur. Here, adjust the radius to 4. Next, press Ctrl-T to use Free Transform. Rotate the layer to change the angle of rain. Next, click on the Adjustment button and select Curves. Drag the layer to the top. Remove the clipping mask and follow these adjustments. And that's it. Now, you can easily create an animated rain effect in Photoshop. If you found it helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next video.